there, I am Carmen, the CEO of Impact Myofunctional Therapy, and in this video I am going to talk prices and programs plus answer a couple of questions for you. First, let me start by saying if any of the hundreds of hours of information that I have spent putting on this website resonate with you, then you are right where you are meant to be. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory. We are here because of a 7-year-old girl who made an impact. And because of her, my team and I have impacted thousands of lives around the globe. So what started as a vision to simply help others has bloomed into a beautiful story of changing lives, one that I'm happy to be part of. That 7-year-old, my sweet granddaughter, was passed back and forth amongst doctors and therapists for years, trying to figure out her speech, breathing, sleep, chewing, and swallowing issues. Everybody said it was her fault, but we knew different. It was her significant tongue tie, her mouth breathing, and her incorrect oral rest posture. We changed that girl's life, and she changed ours. And so fast forward to now, my team and I are warriors. We are leading the way for those who want to be optimum and not anything less. We promise to support you from exactly where you are today. Your goals equal our goals. We pinky promise to bring you therapy that is effective and produces the results that you are after, but you have to do the work. We will be your accountability partner. And lastly, we promise to sprinkle in a lot of fun during our work together. Now, myself and my associate Jessica have an insane desire to succeed and an irrational unwillingness to let our clients down. We expect the same from you. So before we talk prices and programs, I first want to make sure that we're a good match, okay? We won't let you down if you don't let us down. Let's talk about programs and prices. So as the visionary for the company, it has always been my mission to deliver myofunctional therapy to all corners of the globe to all who need it. This is a tall order because it's a highly specialized therapy and there aren't people like myself on every street corner. So nonetheless, through our variety of programs, I feel like we are keeping with our mission. So first, let's talk about traditional myofunctional therapy. So this is the Cadillac therapy. This is where people who have complex cases fall, or those who really want to have high-touch therapy or lots of one-on-one time. These appointments are 30 minutes in length and everything is taught live. And also, when I am combining myofunctional therapy with nutrition therapy for clients, they will need a traditional plan because I need that one-on-one time to get them the best results. Now, you also have an option for Myo Hybrid, which is where you learn the exercises via video and then you have a 15-minute check-in session with me for each of the 12 sessions. And then for adults, there are also a few choices of video therapy that range in price, depending on whether you want 3, 8, or 12 sessions of therapy, whether you want a kit or personal support. So obviously the lower price options aren't going to have one-on-one support from my team. And then lastly, there is the Myo My Way membership, which is a monthly membership where you get a new lesson every 2 weeks, and I walk you through therapy just like I do with my one-on-one clients. You can also choose the Plus option, which gives you one-on-one time with me and includes your exam. Okay, now for kiddos. So kiddos above age 5 are going to fall into one of 2 categories for one-on-one therapy, either a mini myo program or a youth comprehensive. The complexity of the case and the age of your child is what drives what's most appropriate for your child. We also do have digital options for youth as well. We have our Mommy Myo and Me program, which is really meant to bridge over, for like 3 to 5-year-olds so they can get started on therapy before they're old enough to get into a one-on-one program. And we also have the Mighty Mouth membership, which is just like the adult Myo My Way program, offers a lesson every 2 weeks and it's totally digital. So I hope that gives you some guidance about our programs. You can get further price information by clicking on our programs below. All right, now a couple of questions. Do we accept insurance? So we do not accept insurance, but we are happy to help you maximize your benefits by giving you a super bill that you will submit for coverage. So the exciting thing is that more and more insurance companies are finally getting on board and they're covering myofunctional therapy. Also, your health savings account, your flex spending accounts can be used for therapy as well in most cases. Also, we have had a lot of people in health sharing organizations get their therapy paid for as well. So that's exciting. Last question, do I need to schedule an exam to get started? So yes, this is the first step in most cases. It's absolutely necessary if you plan to work with us one-on-one. But even if you're going to do a membership program or a digital course, you might want to have an exam so that we can offer you more customized recommendations than someone who we don't know anything about. So if you have other questions, reach out to us. That's all I have for you today. Take your time to explore our programs and prices. Decide, kind of what your budget is, how you learn best, and really how much one-on-one time that you would want with us. And if you have questions, you can always reach out.